Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking seafood pot with pickled vegetables or 酸菜海鲜煲. So let's start cooking. Now we'll put the dish together without turning the heat on. Let's add in 500 milliliters of water into our clay pot or pot. Next we'll add in half a cube of ikan bilis stock cube or anchovy stock cube. Just put it in. If you do not have anchovy stock cube, you can always replace this with chicken stock cube or with chicken stock or anchovy stock, no problem at all. Next we will add in 400 grams of wongbok or Chinese cabbage, cut into slices like this. Just spread them out into the water. This dish is super easy to make and it has vegetables inside it, seafood, as well as some glass noodles I'll be adding into. So it's an all-in-one pot meal. Once you've added the cabbage in, we'll add in 1 tomato, slice them like this. Just spread them around, it's fine. And finally, we'll add in 200 grams of pickled mustard. These are sour pickled mustard. When you buy them, just look for the leaves like this or the word S-O-U-R, which is sour. Just spread them around. You just need to rinse this. There's no need to soak them in water because we need a little bit of saltiness inside here. Later we'll just give this a taste just to make sure that it's really to what we like. Now we put the lid on. We'll turn on the flame to medium heat and let this come to a boil. When this is boiling, we'll boil for another further 3 to 5 minutes before we add in our seafood. I'll see you back in a while. I've been cooking this for approximately 8 minutes. Now we add in our prawns. Give this a light stir first. This is going to be so good. Tangy taste, and yet the soup will be very sweet from all the seafood that we put it in. If you want, you can also add in silky tofu, or if you like something more spicy, add in a little bit of chili. No problem at all, it's really up to you. Now we add in our prawns, approximately 350 grams. Head towards the center so they will cook easily. Just slide them in. I did not reduce the heat, I'm still using medium heat right now. Now we'll put the lid back on and cook this for another 4 minutes or so before we add in the rest of the ingredients. 4 minutes is up, let's have a look. Wow, look at how beautiful this is. Now let's just give this a taste first. Wow, super good. We need just a little bit of salt, half a teaspoon of salt. Now if you like the soup to be a little bit on the sour side, add in a little bit of rice vinegar. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of this. We'll put in our glass noodles or glass vermicelli, 40 grams pre-soaked, but of course you need to soak it until they are soft like this. We'll also add in 100 grams of squid as well as 140 grams of scallops. I've halved the scallops so that they are thin and they will cook easily. So we just slide everything in. This will be very good. Last but not least, we add in our clams. I'm using frozen cooked clams which I've already thawed and washed. If you're using fresh clams, make sure that you clean them and take out soak them in water so that the sand can be removed. Just pour them all over like this. We just need to heat them up a little bit. Now we'll put the lid back on and we'll cook this for another 3 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 3 minutes is up, let's have a look. Whoa, look at how beautiful this is. Finally, we'll just top this up with a bunch of cut up spring onions. Just spread them around like this. Beautiful. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells really good. Let's try the glass noodles. The glass noodles have absorbed the sauce really well. Squid, perfectly cooked clams. Wow, beautiful. Let's try some of the soup. Oh, it's like you have the sea in your mouth. Really, really tasty. It's very, very presentable. It's easy to cook and it's super delicious. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye.